When basic tank emptying doesn't resolve the P1 error, advanced troubleshooting steps are required. Let's explore the systematic approach to identify and fix persistent issues. First, clean accessible internal parts with a dry cloth. Dust accumulation can interfere with the water level sensor, causing false P1 error readings even when the tank is empty. Ensure the unit is on a completely level surface. An unlevel unit can prevent proper drainage. Next, perform a soft reset by unplugging the unit for 5 to 10 minutes to clear any sensor errors. Some users report success by tilting the unit backwards slightly to facilitate complete drainage. This technique helps remove water that may be trapped in internal components. If the P1 error appears alongside a full water protect error in the Midea app, this indicates more serious issues. A defective fan or low refrigerant levels may be the underlying cause. In some models, P1 indicates suction pipe low pressure protection. Check the low pressure switch connection, verify refrigerant levels, and inspect for blockages in the refrigeration system. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the P1 error, consult your user manual or contact Midea customer support. Persistent P1 errors often indicate internal defects that require professional repair or unit replacement.